Good afternoon. My name is Eneida Ramirez Barco. I live in Dorada City. I am live and my read and daughter. My hobbies and study. Activities in the family. Uh, I am years old, 34 years old. I am working in the Clinic La Paz, in the activities in the vacation in San Andres. I present in the recipe baking the salmon. 500 grains and the salmon, 1 lemon, in the teaspoon of garlic, in the teaspoon on the paper. Keep it to the tiles.
And pepper
Then sail on the pepper till the under the garlic and the on the lemon. Later mix and the 180 and the Celsius for the 15 minutes and the finally and the capers and the before it is serving. Thank you. Delicious.